Welcome to my channel. Let's relearn the easy way. A wonderful platform to learn new things. Folks, today we are going to discuss about one of the important letters, appointment letter. Basically, it's a formal business letter given in writing to the candidate on the day of joining. Friends, you will get an offer letter just as an invitation to the company, but this letter has its own importance, so let's explore it. Here, we will discuss the following aspects of appointment letter. Initially, we will see what is an appointment letter, followed by characteristics of an appointment letter. Then we will try to learn how we can draft an appointment letter, and then the tips which can make an effective appointment letter. Hope you liked my previous videos and subscribe my channel. If not, please do subscribe it and now share it, so that maximum learners can get benefit out of it. Now let's first see what is an appointment letter. Friends, here an appointment letter is an official document given to a qualified candidate who will soon be employed in an organization where he or she has applied it. The appointment letter complies all the important terms and conditions of the employment. As mentioned, now we should understand who is a qualified candidate. Here, the qualified candidate is a job applicant who has applied for the job in the organization and has qualified all the rounds of interviews. Maybe there are a number of rounds like 3 rounds, 7 rounds, as per the requirement, as per the company, as per the specific designations, and finally being selected by the management to offer a job with the organization. As we know, there are different characteristics of different letters, and today we will discuss about the characteristics of an appointment letter. So basically, appointment letter is written by the employer. It is written in a business letter format. Now here it is, as it is a formal letter, it is supposed to be written in a business letter format. It is written on a company letterhead, very importantly, and it is an evidence that the particular candidate is selected for a particular position. The tone should be polite and positive so that the message is conveyed to the candidate. This is the first entry of the candidate into the organization. Therefore, the tone of this letter is essentially required to be in a very soothing manner. Thereby, the candidate may feel comfortable. Now, we'll see how to draft this appointment letter. Here, the employer should write the letter error-free. The content in English should not be wrong. The joining date, place and time should be clearly mentioned in the appointment letter. The terms and conditions related to the particular profile should be clearly mentioned. The salary and the perks, if any, should be clearly mentioned. After understanding how to draft an appointment letter, here I am coming up with some tips which can effectivize the drafting of appointment letter. So here it is necessary to mention the correct details of the candidate so that the letter is not misused. For example, it should not go to any other individual of the same name if the address is not mentioned properly. The original letter should be given to the candidate, and the duplicate copy or the carbon copy is kept in the company's records, which is signed by the respective candidate. So here it is essentially required that it is the right of the candidate to get the original copy of that, and one copy of the photocopy can be countersigned and taken into the company's documentation process. The probation period and leave structure should be clearly mentioned. Very essentially, what has been promised during the job description or in the offer letter, the same should reflect into the appointment letter. There should not be a variation in that. As explained, it is necessary to mention the joining date clearly. Most of the companies expect a bond, and there are some legal aspects which are mentioned in the bond. The same should be reflected in a brief into the appointment letter so that the joinee, the employee, is very clear about the terms and conditions under which he is supposed to work. Most importantly, the salary structure. The incentives should be written very clearly so that the candidate is well aware about what he is going to get, what are his advantages, additional benefits he is going to get, and what are the deductions, what is the take home, what is the CTC. Everything is clear on the piece of paper. Let's see some of the examples of appointment letters. So here is one appointment letter. Now you can see here the address of the company, the address of the candidate clearly mentioned, and the date which is essentially required to be mentioned. Now this is the body of the letter wherein details about the CTC is mentioned, and this you can see the tone in which the appointment letter is written. It is very soothing so that the candidate becomes comfortable in joining. Here you can see the appointment letter comes with an annexure wherein it is the CTC breakup, the cost of the company, how it is exactly divided into different allowances, or the deductions if any, there are any exemptions, and total cost of the company is being mentioned here. Now the terms and conditions regarding payouts, especially the taxes like TDS, PF and DSI, applicable as per the legal rules and norms of that specific jurisdiction would be employed to the specific candidate as per the rules and regulations of the HR policies. So here it is a clear idea to the employee what exactly he is going to get into that particular offer which is being offered by the particular organization. Let's have a quick review, friends. Appointment letter is given to the selected candidate. It is written by the employer. Business letter format is used to write it. Need to write the terms and conditions clearly, and original letter should be given to the candidate. Hope you understood the appointment letter. If you have any doubts, please do write into my comment box. Thank you. Keep watching.